here. I don't know what, but for the rocker panel trim, it's not on. It ain't got the nuds on the other side. Guts clean in the mud. It's kind of like the one I got on GTA. Good Nova. This mug is dope. I mess with the wood grain. This mug is dope. The paint is crazy. Damn. You see that? 25,000. 25K. Look at the paint. I don't. It's like, I guess it's like a patina style. Ducktail Run 2024. Gas City, Indiana. They stay around here. I wonder if Eric's seen this. I wonder if Eric's seen this.
Oh yeah?
He want one this year.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this, because you know he got the other body style.
Is it Chevy too?
Mm-hmm. $50. It's in Arizona. It's been rough from AZ then. It's been rough. AZ.
Oh yeah. That's a lot of money.
No, we need some body work like a mug, but 2K. Bill of sale 765-673-7282. Bro, you know. That motherfucker. I don't even think this gonna fit in the video. Elko. Good plush interior.
Two in a bed.
11, okay. Marcel. $5K. And another El Camino over there. This one look low-key solid. Arizona car. 8,900. It don't say what it is. Interior been changed. There's the
Man, I don't have the money. I wish.
Is that
That's not. That's
this
nice,
Elko?
huh?
That's my buddy's car.
Oh yeah.
I went in this one. Right. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Down there, the white one. Each side, that's mine. Okay.
Have a nice one.
But that white truck, it runs good. It's been re-all done.
damn, that the Chevy? The Chevy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that mug is clean from here.
Got paint job done.
55. Then they got the mug from Friday, just different colors.
How much?
7,000.
How much?
Ooh, 7,000, 454. Need a little work, but let's see. Well, $20K.
Oh yeah.
So I make my videos. $1960 Chevy truck. Hopefully it don't rain tomorrow. I can pull up out here, man. Probably supposed to rain though. These are the whips for sale out here. My video, man, my video.
on that.
These are the whips that's for sale out here. $4,500. Turbo 3.8 though.
I know it.
I didn't know that.
Huh?
I didn't know that. 78 LeSabre. Jake had something like this. Said only 2,000 made. He want 85 honey buns. Might be Chanel on my watch. That's solid though. It is solid though. Got that air right on this joint. You didn't check out the truck.
They already got
This is somebody's. Come look at it.
it's already.
Come look at the bed.
I seen this.
I said, look in the bed.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep. The batteries.
You know, this is dope. Paint glistening. But I don't know. Ain't nothing posted. So they got the on-off switch in the trunk. Oh, he got a couple bottles in there. There's bottles in there.